this is it, guys. Tomorrow we will be going drifting with my friend. I still can't believe that this is happening because it has been a distant dream for me. Tomorrow at noon we will be going to a track nearby. I have the whole car packed with stuff, and yeah, hopefully we will have many laps and a lot of experience tomorrow, because I still have no experience whatsoever in drifting. Oh, by the way, there's one more thing we need to do, and that is over here. There we go. Now we have a drift button. Anyway, here's the car, in case you haven't seen it yet. This is an NA JZX100 with a cheap angle kit, welded diff, straight exhaust, no catalytic converter, R154, manual transmission. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now it's around 9:30 p.m. and I'm going to sleep. And tomorrow at noon we are going drifting. So wish us luck and hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we do. I hope we enjoy tomorrow, because I did a lot of work in order to get this point. So yeah, until tomorrow, good night. Alright guys, today's the day. I must say I'm a little nervous. I have no idea if the car is gonna be able to take all that drifting. I sure hope it does. Hope we get some good laps and much experience. Okay guys, here we are. Tämä on täysin mun vastuulla, että jos sä jotakin teet, niin ei haittaa yhtään.
Mä pelkään, että tuo käsijarru jää pohjaan.
Ei se jää. Joo, saman tien.
Kyllä tässä on siis pitoja on kyllä.
Joo.
On pitoja. Kalasin pohjassa. Aivan hyvin tämä palaa.
Hyviä se jaksaa.
Tuo savuakin.
Älä mitään. Hyvin.
Tää palauttaa oikeesti aivan hyvin.
Joo. Sä koitit päästää vähän.
Joo. Sitten mä vedin nuo puolet vähän.
Niin. Jesus Christ.
Kalasin pohjassa. Pieni nosto ehkä.
Mä ajattelin, että nyt tultiin vähän lujaa.
Ai vittu.
Tullaan tuli pois.
Jotakin. Mä ajan vähän tuohon sivuun. Mitä nyt muita on, niin... Menikin vähän turhaa hyvin.
Ei! Puskuri on irti, mutta...
Ajetaan varikolla.
Puskuri on irti ja lamppu on vähän
Ai saate.
mutta ei se rikki oo. Damn, bro! First laps are in and we already have some damage. It's not that bad, but we'll get it fixed. Proper fixing technique.
Alkuun ei sitten kannata liian lujaa mennä. Mieluummin sitten pikkuhiljaa nostaa vauhtia.
Oi! Ei osta kierroksia yhtään.
Ei mene vasta heitä.
Ei se lähde kyllä ilman käkkäri.
Ei. Se auttaa paljon kokea.
vaan luottaa itseänsä.
Kyllä.
Ja kun ei mä yhtään ei uskalla päästä sitä ratista.
Sitten vasta. Nuu! Hana! Ja vastahan. Ihan pieni nostovoima, mutta muuten kaasu pois. Ja vasta. Suoristat vaan.
Vissiin vähän jäykemmät saa olla edestä. Lokapahaksi lokariveli.
Okay, we had a small problem with the front suspension. The tire hit the front fender, so we had to raise the front of the car a little bit. Otherwise, it's looking fine.
Nyt on hyvä. Vastaan nyt. Ei piisaa vauhti.
Ei.
Pyyhkiä.
Mutta joo, tosiaan kaasupohjas. Ei oo mitään muuta vaihtoa.
Pitääkö käydä katsomassa varikolla rengaspintaa ja sitten lähtee.
Okay, first laps are in for both of us. Car is working great, unbelievable. It doesn't eat tires too much, and we fixed the bumper and the light. Yeah, I don't know what to say.
Oh my fucking god, that was a good lap. Oh my god, the car feels so good. I cannot even believe it.
The car sounds exactly like M52. I can't even tell you. We switched drivers and my friend is now driving. I did some good laps. I can't even believe how good. I even started to like let off from the steering wheel, which is impressive. But yeah, the car feels so good, even though it's NA. It's so much fun. It's a dream come true, really. Okay, he's coming to the pits. I really like the car. I'm telling you, it's all worth it. Okay, so right now we're testing the winter tires, and I did a few laps with them, and I'm surprised how good they work with a low powered car. I was able to drift like in kind of corners where I normally didn't with summer tires. So I've heard that winter tires are not the best for drifting, but apparently it works amazing. That's so weird. That's so weird to see that car actually drifting. I never thought that the car would be that good. We just noticed that we haven't even hit the limiter yet. And today we have only used the second gear. That's the only gear we need, basically, on this track. Yeah, it's weird. Okay, something happened. Maybe the tire. He's limping. Oh, it's the tire. Oh! Okay, we broke our first tire, and we kind of expected that with the winter tires. So, yeah, I guess that's it. Menikö rengas?
Tuulta vähän kuulosti. Täällä on
Joo.
kankaita.
Yeah, boy.
Onneksi nyt niin ventis.
Yeah, that's it for these tires. It's almost like it's coming out. Okay, all packed up. We left the track because it closes at 4 p.m. on Sundays. So we have to leave. We had so much fun. That was something else. The car worked perfectly. Some tires were better, some tires a bit worse, but all in all very good first time on drifting. I learned a lot today, and I could not wish a better first time drifting than this one. Can't complain. Fortunately, the track is really close to where I live. It's not too bad to go on the track again. Yeah, only a small accident. The rear bumper cracked and the tail light come loose a little bit, but we were able to fix it. Super happy about this day. I'm sure my friend also is happy. A lot of experience from today. It was a great day. Anyways, this is not over. Can't wait for next time. I hope you guys liked the video, even though it was a bit messy because we only had less than 4 hours. We obviously had to drive more. I don't know what the next video is about. Hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. So, bye!